Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. US stocks fell on Tuesday, led by Nvidia and a broader tech decline ahead of the chipmaker's earnings report. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dipped 64.19 points, or 0.17%. The S&P 500 slipped 0.6%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite lost 0.92%. Shares of Nvidia, which is expected to report earnings Wednesday after the bell, fell nearly 4.4%. Although Nvidia is expected to post impressive results, investors have expressed concerns about its sky-high valuation. Amazon shares declined 1.4%, while shares of Microsoft and Meta each lost about 0.3%. Capital One Financial has agreed to purchase Discover Financial Services in an all-stock deal worth US $35.3 billion. Capital One added less than 0.1% following the announcement, while Discover jumped more than 12.6%. In other news, Walmart announced it will acquire TV maker Vizio for $2.3 billion, or $11.50 a share, leading shares of Vizio to climb higher by about 16%. Walmart shares added more than 3% after the retailer also beat quarterly earnings and revenue expectations, fueled by double-digit growth in the company's global e-commerce sales. The US-listed shares of both BHP and Rio Tinto were sharply lower in line with a 5.1% plunge in the spot price of iron ore in Singapore trade on Tuesday after China's central bank unexpectedly cut its 5-year loan prime rate. Demand for iron ore remains weak as China's steelmakers are still suffering negative margins when selling their finished steel. Turning to US sectors now, all closed lower overnight except for consumer staples. Technology was the worst performer. In Australia, companies due to report results on Wednesday include Charter Hall Group, Domino's Pizza, Lottery Corporation, NAB, Rio Tinto, Santos, Scentre Group, and Woolworths, as well as several others. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% fall. Thank you for listening.